Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about BCD addition. So this topic comes under digital electronics. So what is the abbreviation of BCD? BCD means binary coded decimal. So it's an abbreviation. So let me consider two numbers. For example, A and B. Let me add two numbers A and B. So after addition, it produces some result. So after addition, it produces some result. So the possible result is, it may produce three possible results. So first one, this sum is less than or equal to 9, carry value equal to 0. So it's a first possibility. So sum is less than or equal to 9, carry value equal to 0. Then second possibility, sum is less than or equal to 9, carry equal to 1. So it's a second possible output. Then third possibility, sum is greater than 9, carry equal to 0. So these three possible output, any one of the output generated after addition of these two numbers. So first case, sum is less than or equal to 9, carry value equal to 0 in the sense. So the result is valid BCD. So the result is valid BCD. So here first case, sum is after addition, sum value less than or equal to 9, carry value equal to 0. The corresponding result is correct. There is no correction required. So it's the first possible. Then come to the second possible output. So here sum value is less than or equal to 9. Suppose carry may be 1. So carry is generated. So in this case, this result is invalid. Invalid BCD. The result is invalid BCD. If you need to convert this invalid BCD into valid BCD in the sense, you should add 6 with the result. So add 6 to the sum to get the correct answer. Then come to the third case. So third case, sum is greater than 9, carry value equal to 0. So in this case, the result is invalid. So the result is invalid BCD. If you need to get the valid BCD number, you just add 6 to the sum to get the correct answer. So this is the procedure to solve the example problem. So first problem, add 22 base 10 and 11 base 10. The given number is a decimal number. So it's a decimal number. So 22 plus 11. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So first I convert this decimal number into BCD number. So 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Then 11 equivalent BCD number 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Just add these two numbers. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 0 0. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 0 0. So after addition, sum is less than equal to 9, carry equal to 0. So after addition, lower 4 bit value less than 9, upper 4 bit value less than 9, carry value equal to 0. So here answer is correct, no correction required. There is no correction required. The result is 33. So decimal addition, the result is 33. BCD addition also, you will get the same result. Then come to the second problem. Add 91 base 10 and 71 base 10. So it's also decimal number. 91 plus 71. So 1 plus 1 2, 9 plus 7 16. So it's a decimal addition. So after doing decimal addition, the result is 162. First I convert BCD number for this 91. First I write 1 equivalent BCD number 0 0 0 1. Then come to 9 1 0 0 1. Then 71 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. Just add these two numbers. 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry value 1 1 0 0. Then 1 plus 1 sum value 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. So in this case, some value less than or equal to 9, carry equal to 1. So this 4-bit value is less than 9. This 4-bit value less than 9, but carry equal to 1. So after adding this two 4-bit value, it may produce the carry value. So it's an invalid BCD number. Invalid BCD number. If you want to convert this invalid BCD number into valid BCD number, you just add 6 to the sum to get the correct answer. You just add 6 here. 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0, this carry value just place here. The result is 162. So 162 is the answer. So after doing the decimal addition, you will get the result 162. BCD addition also you will get the same answer. Then come to third problem. Add 57 base 10 and 26 base 10. 57 and 26. 7 plus 6, 13. Carry propagate to next bit, 8. Then you convert this decimal number into BCD number. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. 26 equivalent BCD number 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. Just add these two number. 1 sum 0 carry 1, sum 1 carry 1, then 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. So in this case, this lower 4-bit value is greater than 9, upper 4-bit value less than 9, carry equal to 0. So sum is greater than 9, carry value equal to 0, add 6 to the sum to get the correct answer. So this value is greater than 9. So it's a 13. So 13 is greater than 9. It's a invalid BCD number. So if you want to convert this invalid BCD number to valid BCD number, you just add 6 here. 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry value 1. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry value 1. So 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1, sum 0, carry 1, 1. So final answer 83. So after doing the BCD addition, the result is 83. So both are same. So both the results are same. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.